Welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how to edit just that. Okay, what you saw on the screen, okay, review. It can be image review, it could also be text review. So I'll be going over that and showing you how to go about it in this video. Alright, let's jump right in. So the first thing is to open your CapCut application. And yeah, so once you open your CapCut application, you want to create a new project. Okay, so I encourage you that you create a brand new project. Just come to the library, and the next thing you want to do is to, you can actually import any material, but we'll be using a black screen for the purpose of this project. Okay, you can actually download the black screen. Okay, so the next thing afterward is for you to come down to overlay. Okay, so you add overlay. All right, so come down to your album. I think I will be using a logo. So I already removed the background of this logo. All right, so I'll be using it on top of my overlay. So here's the stuff. All right, so I want to make sure it's at the center, and I want to make sure it is bigger. So how do you know it's at the center? You're going to see this 4 line, you know, okay, this is already at the center. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to look for the element. You can make it as long as you want. Okay, you can simply double this. Okay, just click on the black stuff down here. You're going to see an aspect for duplicate. All right, so you can easily duplicate the material. All right, so the next thing you want to do afterward is to actually download the material you want to use for actually revealing the stuff. So I'm going to head up to my Chrome browser, and right here I'm going to download what I want to use. And let me see, I want to use a car. The upper view, the upper view of a Bugatti. Okay, all right, yeah, so here we have the image. Okay, so I'll be using this image. All right, so I'll be using this image. You can use any of the images. All right, so I'll be using this image, so I'll just long press on it. Whenever you are trying to download an image for your project, make sure it is high quality image. Just wait for it to load up, or perhaps you can bring it down to BG remover and erase the blurs. All right, so I'm done downloading the image. So the next thing I want to do is to come down to an application called BG eraser. I want to remove the background. All right, so I click on one click cutout, and here I'm going to remove the background of this image so that I can, yeah, so the background has been removed. All right, so I'll head down, I'll go back to my CapCut. Then the next thing I want to do is to click on add overlay. All right, so I'm down there. I'm going to see this here, the image I just removed. Okay, the image background, the image whose background I just removed. All right, so I want to place my car somewhere around there. So I want to refill this legendary stuff of 18. All right, let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay, all right, so I want to refill this legendary stuff. Okay, so just make sure it's also at the center, even outside the stuff. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to click on chroma key, sorry, keyframe rather. All right, so what's the purpose of keyframe? This keyframe right here, that crystal like stuff. Okay, this is keyframe. Okay, the purpose of keyframe is that it determines the beginning and the end of a change in your video. All right, so maybe in the element or anything. Okay, determines the beginning and the end of that change. All right, so at the beginning, at this instance, okay, I want the car, so I will add another keyframe. So I already added one. Okay, and I added the second one. So my car currently is somewhere around this edge. You see that blue stuff, right? So that's where my car is currently. So my car is somewhere around there. All right, so and my car is somewhere around there, and here I want this car to be you know, I told you it's actually depicts the beginning and the end of a change in the okay, so now I have it right here. So now you can see, okay, I've been able to animate the car. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to start tracking. Okay, to start tracking, next thing I want to do is to start tracking, okay, the um the image. Okay, I exported, I've removed that. That's the legendary stuff. Okay, so now here I want to make sure at the beginning, which is here, right? I want to make sure there's nothing. Nothing. Okay, I want to make sure there's nothing here. And right here, I want to make sure this is the end where the car finally reviewed, the test. So I want to add another keyframe here. This is the beginning of the effect. Okay, so now right here at the beginning of this chroma key, standing on it now. Okay, I'm going to the options down here. I'm going to search for mask. I'm going to check out mask. All right, so I'll click on mask, and I'll be using the horizontal aspect of mask. So I will turn it here in such a way that there is nothing, like absolutely nothing here. All right, so and I'll make sure I move it forward, and right here I want to edit it again, okay, to make sure it is reviewed. All right, that's what I want to do right here. Okay, I hope you get that. All right, so let's see what we've got here. Can you see that now? Alright, so the test has been reviewed, and that's how I was able to achieve that effect. Alright, so if you want to make it, if you want to spice it up a little bit, you can add maybe a ref sound, okay, car ref sound and the likes, to make it boom like as it actually goes by. And let me try exporting this, and let's see what you've got. Okay, so let me just delete this and this, and let's export. Okay, if you are using CapCut Pro, you should be able to export in 2K to 2K to 4K, and that's the best quality. If you are editing for a client, you want to deliver the best notch quality, and that will really help you. So let's check out our work in my gallery now. So we have this, yeah, and that's how I reviewed the test. All right, so that's how to go about it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do it to if you want me to create other tutorial, you can actually comment it in the comment section. And perhaps if you want to join our community, or you want to get access to my free course, you are going to see a link in the description. Check the description, you are going to see the link. It's all free. Okay, get access to the course for free, and you can also join our community, okay, there, to be informed whenever I drop tutorials, or to actually get tutorials, okay, firsthand, and many other benefits. All right, so see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.